I got no idea what to tell you. Hello, YouTube people. What's up? Hope all is good. I'm good, kind of, because yes, I do have this tooth problem I told you about in the previous vid. And I have to get by until Monday, and actually shooting a vid maybe lets me think about it less. It's maybe a good painkiller, because some good audio is always a good painkiller, don't you think? So yeah, there's a synth called Modus by Physical Audio, and it's a physical modeling synth. But the physical modeling is kind of specific here because it does not model any known instrument. Instead of this, it emulates some plates and springs in different configurations. And that sounds too crazy for me not to try it out. Yeah, if you don't mind my teeth and you like this channel, you can subscribe somewhere here. You can support me down here, I think. You can also like this vid and comment on it, so maybe a discussion with you is another great painkiller. Let's go. Alright people, I'm a bit moved back because my piano, digital piano is here so that I can play something more a bit using Modus. The Modus is here, we can take a look at its interface. Boom. Okay, this is the default sound, which is already very original, surprising, and kind of experimental. I have strings, string plate, and plates. Okay, so I have strings, plates. I said that I have springs. I don't have springs. I mean, I do have some springs too, but I have strings and plates, guys. Okay, so different setups. Edit string 1, edit string 3, 2 and 3. I can choose the number of strings. Whoa! Strings plate, edit strings, edit plate, tone damping, tone, mass, fundamental. Whoa! And I can only have two plates, edit plate 1 and edit plate 2. Oh, guys, this seems like a lot of stuff. But what's the source? Is it like an oscillator or there is some driver here. Anyway, let's start with strings. Cool. Very elegant, very like, I can't hear it's digital, I cannot hear it synthesized. I would say this is something absolutely very organic, very acoustic, though totally experimental. Yeah, I would imagine that this is some kind of this physical object. So that's really good physical modeling, maybe. As for my ear, pluck. More tweaks are needed. Oh, it's almost like some kind of a guitar. Let's move forward anyway, and let's change to 3 strings. Aha, okay. Each of these, this one is different. doesn't have normal tuning. That's interesting. Four paired. Guys, there's a lot of it. I can't even imagine how many string-like, guitar-like, plucked-like sounds you can get here, but pretty a lot. It's not an obvious instrument, but surely it is fascinating already, and it's so well made. I mean, the sound I'm hearing, everything I see, everything I touch and I try to manipulate behaves more than properly, behaves very elegant, though unpredictable, but in a very nice, elegant, very acoustic way. So guys, I mean, I don't know what exactly this is, but it's cool. And I don't know what kind of a sound I will get. Should I tweak this even more? I've got filter. So yeah, now this is the synthesized part thanks to filter. I will turn this. I got simple delay, which is already on by default. You just tweak the level. I've got two LFOs. I got connections, which is probably kind of I can connect things using some small springs in different ways, even between the string. Multi-strike. What is multi-strike? It's like more like hitting it with something than gently controlling it, like it's harder impact. Okay, I even got it in a loop, which I didn't realize. Okay, so where's ADSR? Attack release. For can I edit this for all of them? Yes, it is actually edited for all of them. I got no idea what to tell you. I've been doing this for 10 minutes, 15, and I don't know what to tell you. But I mean, it's good. It's fascinating. I like it. But how to describe it? What the hell is this? String plate now. Plate. This is very much like transferring the tone of the strings to the plate, so a bit like plate reverb. It's like resonance, like a resonating response coming from the strings to the plate. Yes, sounds like distorting a bit. Okay, that's why. Oh, I've got something called driver here. What is this? Driver. Driver is an oscillator that, yes, because I don't have strings transferred to the plates, so I can use like a virtual oscillator and some resonance through strings being transferred to the plates. how do I need this to be modulated. Exactly, I want to modulate something. So I'd like to use this LFO. Where is it? Okay, I got it from the manual. I can only modulate some parameters from the connections here, strength, speed, gap with LFO1, while with LFO2 I can modulate cutoff and drive. Would be really cool if I could modulate more like this crazy fundamental. Or mass. Or damping. So just fundamental. And it's also good. Let's engage plate 2. Okay, so these are like contactless transfer devices between plates, and these are like continuous springs. I didn't know that physical audio guys are that serious. Though this is a completely niche product, I think. Not many people will buy it because it's not for everybody, not for every day music production, I suppose. And despite this, it's amazingly executed, very well thought out, very versatile, and fully, like really in the best sense, in the best meaning, experimental. The price tag on this is 73 euro discounted from 123, I think, which isn't the cheapest instrument right now, but it's absolutely worth the price. Guys, I will try to sum the things up for you now. Yeah, you could see me being kind of impressed during this shoot, right? So yeah, I can only recommend you Modus by Physical Audio, and I really did not expect that Physical Audio guys are that serious and competent, because this is a beautifully crafted synthesizer, a very specific one, but highest quality one, and the price tag is like fully justified. So it's not for everybody, it's niche of the niche, of course. But if it suits your specific needs, or your musical taste, or your will of experimenting, whatever it is, don't think, go first demo it and then buy it, because it's totally worth it, I think. And yes, you can expect more physical audio tools being reviewed on this very channel, because this is a great debut of them right here in this very small space. That's it, guys. I hope you liked it. As always, I hope to discuss things with you down below. I hope to fix this crap also very soon, and I hope to see you again in good health, like always. Thank you.